Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I wish to all the people here that are sitting in this room. Okay, hello. I wish to all. Okay, before I start, my name is Omar Azam, and today I'm going to do a short presentation about my topic of interest. That is xanthan gum. Okay, this is the picture of the xanthan gum. Okay, xanthan gum was first discovered by a team of USDA researchers in the 1960s. And it is actually a polysaccharide secreted by the Xanthomonas campus trees through the means of fermentation. And later, in the 1968, it was first tested and declared to be safe, to be used as a safe food additive. And now, many countries in the world, including the Canada, the US, or other regions such as the Europe or even Asia now accept xanthan gum as a safe food additive. And it was first commercially produced by the Kelco company, and at that time, Kelco company was a major pharmaceutical company in the early 60s, and at that time, they called the xanthan gum by its brand name, Kelzan. And xanthan gum now can be made into food additive, food thickener, and so on. And here is the products that can be found in Malaysia. And these products also got the xanthan gum in them. And xanthan gum not only restricted to the food, but also can be used for cosmetic purpose. Okay, there are many benefits that you can obtain from the xanthan gum. Okay, here is the structure of the xanthan gum. It is actually a pentasaccharide. Comprised of the glucose, glucuronic acid, and also mannose, and it is produced by the fermentation of the glucose, sucrose, and also the lactose. And okay, first, it can work as an emulsifier. Emulsifier, it will help to encourage the liquids that normally don't like one another to mix together, or in other words, it will help the ingredients to blend more effectively and stay blended while waiting on the shelf. Okay, next one. Xanthan gum can also act as a thickener. And just add a bit to water and it becomes more viscous. And many fat-free salad dressings actually maintain their oily viscosity by using this kind of thickener such as the xanthan gum. Also, xanthan gum plays a crucial role in the making of the ice cream. Okay, xanthan gum helps the ice cream to feel more smooth, but it is done so by the prevention of the formation of the ice crystals in the ice cream. Okay. Also in the world of gluten-free baking, xanthan gum plays a crucial role in imitating the gluten itself. And gluten is what gives the dough the elasticity and also viscosity, and these properties is what helps to hold the cookie together, and xanthan gum helps to imitate this kind of properties. Also in toothpaste, the toothpaste also has the xanthan gum in it. Xanthan gum is what gives the toothpaste the smooth texture. Okay, for people who have trouble swallowing, they can add xanthan gum into their fluids or even drinks, and their fluids and drinks become more thicker and also easier to be swallowed. And here is the picture of oil tank. Okay, oil drillers also use the xanthan gum to make the mud drilling thicker. This thick fluid will help to carry the solids that have been cut by the drillers up to the surface of the earth. And these people, okay, next one. Okay, here is the picture of the fake blood and also toy slime. They all got their thickness from the xanthan gum. Also, xanthan gum help in the cosmetic because of its properties, that is what keeping the water and also oil together, and it helps to keep the skin moist. Also, in substituted eggs, xanthan gum helps to replace the fat and also the emulsifier that can be found in the egg yolk. Okay, so let's move on to the organism that is responsible for the production of the xanthan gum. Okay, here is the picture of a single bacterium. It is actually aerobic, gram-negative. Okay, and it has a tiny single flagella, and this bacterium is called Xanthomonas campus trees, and it can cause dark rot in the crucifer by darkening the vascular tissue of the plant, and it can spread through movement of water such as the rain, the irrigation system, or the surface water such as the ponds, the lakes, or even rivers. And this bacteria can live in soil for over a year. Okay, and they are when we spray copper fungicides, it may help to reduce the spread of this organism. But once the plant has been infected, this bacteria will spread into the seed stalk and inhibit the formation of the healthy offspring. Okay, that is the picture of the biofilm, and these are the type of the Xanthomonas campestris, and one of them Xanthomonas campestris Patoba amoriciae, Xanthomonas campestris Patoba bedionia A, and so on. And these are differentiated by different types of Patoba. Patoba is a type of classification that is based on the host plant that is infected by this bacteria. And these are the pictures of the disease on the plants that were caused by this bacteria. And actually, these different parts of the plants were caused by the different types of Xanthomonas. And right now, research is being done to counter this bacteria, and people are still trying to find the correct genes or the essential genes in order to develop the resistant plants against this bacteria. And they are working with some bacillus strains. I think that marks the end of my presentation. Okay, thank you for lending your eyes and your ears.